Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to do another more complex saddle pad for the dressage saddle. Now, so I had done this, and I would prefer to cover it in something that is more like a broadcloth or a sheeting. And over the holidays, I got these sheets, king-size sheets, with 2 pillowcases, a entire set for $15. You cannot buy fabric any cheaper than that. So this is a pillowcase, and you can use whatever. You can use broadcloth if you want, or whatever. But I'm going to go right here because I want to. I'm just going to go ahead and cut out. So I'll probably keep myself maybe that much, not sewn, and then back stitch it. So you can do it by hand. I've got a machine, so I'm going to use the machine, and then we're going to tuck this in. So all right. So now we're going to turn it right side out. This busted open when I did the turn, so yeah, if all else fails, glue it. Okay, so I went around the edge using a decorative stitch. I never used this stitch before, so I should probably practice this a few times. But there you go, you've got yourself a not felt but padded pad, so there's thickness to it. And that's another way that you can go ahead and do yourself an English pad. I want to thank you for spending time with me today. Have yourself an awesome day.